Hey everybody, Andrew with Suds to Success Podcast. Quick tip video, how to clay bar a car. You've probably seen like the actual clay blocks and like the whatever stores you're buying stuff in. I'm going to show you a quicker way to do this. You're going to want to get a synthetic clay towel. So this is made by the Rag Company. DIY Detail has their own too. This is just what we have in our shop. What you're going to want to do, clean the car off. What kind of clay barring does, this might be a question you're thinking, like, why do I have to do this in my car? If you feel your car and it's rough, like you kind of put your hands on it, it's like, sounds like sandpaper, it has a lot of contamination on it. You can't get that off with washing. So this rubber, which is synthetic, so if you drop it on the ground, you can put it in your rinseless pail or soap, it'll clean it off, you can still use it. The clay bar, if you drop it, you're screwed. They're, pretty much folded over, or the clay bar is shot. This, you can do a ton of cars with it. You pretty much buy it once, you're good to go. So wash your car. We've already done a rinseless wash on this car, so it's already been cleaned. There's no dirt on it. This is just rinseless in a spray, like a pump sprayer. You can use soap. So if you want to use soap as your lubricant, you can. All this is doing is giving you a bit more lubrication, so when you move this on the surface, we're not worried about scratching. So you're just going to spray. I like to spray this, a bit of rinseless on. If you're doing soap, I would just say get your foam cannon and spray your soap all over the car. You can do one of two things. So if you wanted to, let's say, wax this when you were done, I'd recommend a product like ceramic gloss or any type of drying aid or ceramic detail spray. If you want to do an iron remover, so if you wanted to get rid of any fall like on a white or silver car, I'd recommend like DIY iron remover. This iron remover is safe to use with your towel. Not all iron removers are. So let's get into kind of the cleaning process and we'll go from there. So this clay towel has been in my rinseless pail. That's why you can see the rinseless dripping out of it. Why I like folding it like this is it makes it so you don't get pressure points. You have a lot of cushion here. All you're gonna do, get your ceramic gloss or whatever drying aid / ceramic detail spray you want. One spray on the car, one spray on here, put it on top, and then just run it back and forth. What you're doing in this step is you're pretty much cleaning the car and adding a bit of protection at the same time. You need this, so either the iron remover or the ceramic gloss or whatever detail spray you want. It gives it a little bit more body so it won't mar the car and you won't have any scratching. If you just do rinseless or just soap, you can have little scratches develop. And then after this, all you do, dry the car off. If you went and did like an iron remover step, so if you went and did something like this, I'll just grab it off my thing here. It's the same type of process. You literally iron remover, iron remover. The benefit of doing this with the iron remover is going to be you're using a lot less product. You just put it on, go like this. Now you have iron remover on the car. If you want to do the whole car, you can. Do it in the shade, rinse it all off, and then you could do it with the ceramic gloss, give you a bit of protection, so you're doing it the best of both worlds. You're probably, by doing it this way, you're probably gonna use an ounce of iron remover on the whole car, which is obviously you're saving a lot of product and it's really good. Guys, have any questions about how to clay bar your car or any type of protection questions, don't forget to ask in the comments and we'll talk to you soon.